Hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be making it on this foot callus remover. As you see right here. Before I was using this, I was just using razor blades like this. Razors that I use for shaving. These are used razors, so what I did was I used these used razors to shave the callus off of my feet. But now I don't have to use these anymore because I got something like this. This is a lot more convenient to use. The razor, as you can see, is right there. I did use this today. Shaved a lot of dead skin off of the heel of my feet. To get it off, it's quite simple. I think you just push back like that, get it out. It came with about 10 extra razors. I also bought 100 razors extra. These are Merctor razors, but I think they're made in China, but these are pretty good quality, I think. It wasn't that much money. I'll leave all the links for these in the video descriptions below. So the way the shaver, if you want to put it back on, it's quite simple. You see this indent right here? Just put the razor right in. It's kind of like a double-edged razor, like that. And it does matter which way you put it. I think it goes this way. See, that part goes in the front. Just push it in here, and then push up to lock it in. Push. You could slide it out by moving it that way to get the razor out. To get it back in, just get it in, and then push back up again to lock it into place. And this is the portion that shaves your dead skin off. You don't want to shave too much of it. You just shave it until you get enough callus off of the heel of your feet. And after you shave, it comes out of here, and then you just get it out like that. And there's this part right here. This is a file for it. To get it on, it's quite simple. You just push right in. I think you can take it out kind of like this. I think before you do that, I think you must remove this first to use it. So push down, I think, to get it out. And to get this in, just goes in this way. And there's a little thing here. You just push it in so you could lock it into place like that. And the other side too, this thing, push it in, and now it's locked into place, and you could use this as a file to you use this after you shave the callus off to smooth out your feet. I used this today as well. Before I used this, I used a file from my toenail clipper. This is a lot better than that. And this is a lot better than just using a razor like this to shave, because I did cut my hand a few times using this. So I'm just going to get rid of these. I'm going to throw these away. I'm not going to use that anymore. I'm going to use this instead to shave my feet, which is a lot better. To get it out, you just push this apart like this, the other side like that, and get it out like that. Simple as that. Let me get the razor thing back on. Get it in that way. Corn plane blade, just like that. Blade, corn plane. Like I said, that's what does the shaving. That's what I want to share with you today. This one was pretty inexpensive. You could buy more expensive ones with better handle material. This one's just plastic. I didn't really care. I didn't really want to spend that much money. I just needed something that just worked. I just had to shave the callus off of my feet like once every 2 months or something, and this is what I use. Before that, I used to go to a place and they used to do this for me, but these days times are kind of tough, so I have to do most of this stuff by myself now. Okay, this is what I want to share with you. If you have any questions, you could leave it in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.